Hello friends, in this video we will be discussing about the value chain management. So what is value chain management? The value chain management is a process of managing and monitoring all the actors and activities those are involved in a business. Then the question comes to our mind, who are the actors involved? In a value chain, the actors involved are suppliers, distributors, retailers and customers. And the activities includes procurement, manufacturing, processing, packaging, quality control, marketing, sales and distribution. This concept of value chain has gained importance over the past couple of decades due to increased competition and pressure on the bottom line of the firms. Another factor which has played a significant role in developing value chain management in India is globalization. Due to globalization, there is a huge competition which is created by the foreign companies in India. So the local companies in India are forced to implement value chain management. Then we'll be discussing about the difference between supply chain and the value chain. The meaning of supply chain is the integration of all the activities involved in procurement, conversion, and logistic of the product. And the meaning of value chain is the series of activities that adds value to a product. The supply chain is originated from operations management and the value chain is originated from business management. The concept of supply chain comes from conveyance and the concept of value chains comes from value addition. The sequence followed in the supply chain is the product request, then supply chain, then customers. The sequence followed in the value chain is customer request, value chain, and then the product. The objective of the supply chain is the customer satisfaction, and the objective of the value chain is gaining competitive advantage over its competitors. In simple terms, it can be said that supply chain represents all the steps required to get the product to the customers, and the value chain is a process in which a company adds value to its raw material to produce products which is eventually sold to the consumers. And then we will be discussing about the food value chain, which is the basic of the value chain management. So, what is food chain management? A food chain management is a business model where farmers, those who are producers and buyers of farm products, form alliance with other supply chain actors like aggregators, logistics and warehousing agents, processors, distributors, large stores and consumers to enhance monetary returns through product differentiation that advances social or environmental values. The central idea of a food value chain model is to create a win-win situation between all the actors that are involved in the supply chain or the value chain. Uh, then comes the term shared value. What is shared value? A shared value is a shared value can be defined as the idea in which all the actors, those who are involved in a value chain, are socially, financially, and economically uh, benefited from this food value chain. Then comes the components of food value chain. These are some basic components of the food value chain. The first is farm input, which includes seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, which is given to the farmer. Then the farmer cultivates it in his or her agricultural land. Then the harvested goods is given to the aggregator. Then the distributors distributes all the final goods into different retailers. Then the consumers buys from the retailers, and uh, and at last, after consuming, it is disposed or compost. The shared mission values are farm viability, farmland preservation, healthy food access, sustainability production. And the shared operation values are accountability, long-term commitment, open and ongoing communication, and transparency. Thank you. In the next video, we will be discussing about the value chain analysis.